Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. And this is quite simple. First of all, you need to have a photo of your product or your service that you want to use. So that is very important. In this video, for example, I will use an iPhone 16 that I want to sell. So I will show you now as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, go to Pinterest first and then click on create and then create a pin. Then he will send us to our photos and then we select the photo that we want to use and then do next. Right here, we need to create a catchy title because that will create traffic for us. So right now I will write down a quick title, something like buy this, let me check, strange but effective iPhone now. So something like this. Now then we need to create a description, and the description is one of the most important parts of Pinterest, because if you combine your title in this description with all the details that you need to tell, Pinterest will give this post more traffic. So that is very important to do. Now please make sure that you put a lot of time in the description. Then after that we go to links. Then we need to paste our affiliate link just right here. So we do paste. And right now, when this all these settings got fixed, yeah, you can also tag products if you want to, but that is for me not necessary. Then I click on create now, and now he will upload the pin to our profile. Now we go to saved, refresh this page, and then we click on this picture. And if you can see now, there is no visible website that he is showing us. So what we're gonna do now is we click on the three dots again, go to edit pin. And if you can see, there is no title and no description. So you need to fill in the title again, then click on the link and paste it again just like there. Now I won't fill in the title because it costs too much time. But right now if I save this one again, you see that here standing now visit website. And if I click now visit website, you see that he will send us to the website where I sell the product. So this is exactly how you can promote your affiliate links, but please keep in mind, check every single time when you post the pin if everything was posted correctly. So if you could see the title was gone, the affiliate link was gone, so sometimes you need to fill in it twice, but this is the way how you can do this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.